Today we're going to show you how to install a red start-stop button on a BMW E90. Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. Today, we are going to show you how to swap out your start-stop button, whether you want just to replace it with a new black one, you want to do blue, or maybe a red one. Now, our customer today would like to do a red one, so we're going to show you how quick and easy it is to install. Now, for the method that we're going to be showing you today, all you really need is you need a little pick tool or a very tiny screwdriver, and we're going to use a piece of 3M tape that's about, we'll say 3 inches long or so. So if you watched our F30 video, we're going to do basically the same style where with the F30, you take a piece of clay, you stick it on the start-stop button, and you pull it out, and then you can replace it. Now, you can do the exact same thing with this car. There's just an extra little component that comes out. You take off the cap, you reinstall it, you push it back in, everything's good to go. This is going to be very quick and easy, and the other benefit is you don't need to remove any trim to do the job. So here's what we're going to do with the tape. So we are going to just connect the bottom, and basically what this is doing is this is giving us a little handle to work with, and then I am going to flatten the top just like that. Then once you've done that, you can just take your tape and remove it. And what this is going to do is this is going to give us a nice little handle to grip onto. We're going to stick this on the start-stop button and we're going to pull it off. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our 3M tape, we're going to press it on our start-stop button for a couple seconds, and then we're going to pull it off pretty quick, and the entire little assembly is going to pop out, okay? Just like that. Now, on the back of this, you will notice these two little plunger things. You need to make sure that these are back on, because this is how, when you push your button in, it compresses them, and then when you let go, it pops the button back out. So just make sure that you don't drop or lose them, and this little side right there just goes on that little plastic tab. Now, when we look at the side of the buttons, you will notice that there are these little clips that hold everything into place. So all you need to do is take your pick tool, just gently release those. And if you get confused on the orientation, there's this little tab here at the top. So we'll remove that and then take the new one again. The little tab goes at the top there. Just press that in and there you have it. Just remember to have those little plunger things installed before you press it back in. Then all you need to do is just get it as straight as you can, press it in, and you're done. And that is how quick and easy it is to install a red or a different color start-stop button in your BMW E90. Now, if you're interested in a start-stop button for your car, be sure to see the links in the description. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com for all of your BMW retrofit, performance, and aesthetic needs. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching and have a great day.